10 mark. Meaning of national income. National income refers to the total monetary value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a year. It is also defined as the total income earned by the residents of a nation, including wages, rent, interest, and profit. In simple terms, national income is equal to income earned by all factors of production operating within a country. Importance of national income. One indicator of economic growth. National income measures economic progress. Rising national income shows that the country is developing, producing more goods and services. Two bases for economic planning. Government uses national income data to make policies for industry, agriculture, employment, poverty reduction, and welfare programs. 3 helps in comparing growth. National income helps compare one country with another country. Growth of a country over different years. This shows whether the economy is improving or declining. 4 measurement of standard of living. Higher national income generally leads to higher per capita income, which indicates better living conditions, more purchasing power, and improved lifestyle. 5 useful for distribution of income. It shows how national wealth is shared among people. If national income is high but unevenly distributed, welfare remains low. 6 tool for fiscal and monetary policies. Government uses national income data to decide taxation, public expenditure, interest rates, and credit policies. 7 determines sectoral contribution. It helps to study the role of agriculture, industry, and services in economic development and to identify which sector needs improvement. 8 helps in international comparisons. National income statistics are used to compare a nation's development level with other developed and developing countries globally. 9 indicator of economic welfare. If income is fairly distributed and prices are stable, high national income improves the welfare and well-being of people. 10 basis for budget preparation. Government frames the annual budget, public investment, welfare schemes, subsidies, and development programs using national income data. Conclusion. National income is a powerful tool that reflects a country's economic strength and helps evaluate its development. It guides policymakers in planning, resource distribution, improving living standards, and achieving balanced economic growth. 2. National income concept, 10 marks. National income is an important economic concept that helps in understanding the overall economic performance and standard of living of a nation. It refers to the total income earned by the citizens of a country from all economic activities during a year. It also represents the total value of final goods and services produced within an economy. Meaning of national income. National income is the aggregate money value of all final goods and services produced by a country during a financial year. It includes the income earned by factors of production such as land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. It helps to measure the economic prosperity and progress of a nation. Concepts of national income. The major concepts used in national income estimation are 1. Gross domestic product, GDP. GDP is the total value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during 1 year. It measures the productive capacity of the economy within its borders. GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus XN. 2. Gross national product, GNP. GNP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad, NFIA. It includes income earned by residents in foreign countries and excludes income earned by foreigners within the country. 3. Net domestic product, NDP. NDP is equal to GDP depreciation. Depreciation is the reduction in value of capital goods due to wear and tear. NDP shows domestic output after deducting depreciation. 4. Net national product, NNP. NNP is equal to GNP depreciation. NNP at factor cost is considered real national income. It shows net production of the nation after subtracting depreciation losses. 5. Per capita income, PCI. PCI is equal to national income divided by population. It measures the average income per person and helps compare living standards across countries. 6. Personal income. Total income actually received by individuals from all sources including wages, interest, dividends, transfer payments, etc. It excludes corporate taxes and undistributed profits. I is equal to NI undistributed profits, corporate tax plus transfer payments. 7. Disposable income. This is the income available for spending and saving after paying direct taxes. Disposable income is equal to personal income direct taxes. 8. National disposable income. Total income available to the nation for consumption and saving, including income earned abroad and transfer payments. D is equal to by direct taxes. Importance of these concepts. These national income concepts help in measuring economic progress, comparing growth among countries, planning government policies, estimating standard of living and development. Conclusion. The concept of national income provides a complete picture of economic performance by measuring production, income, and expenditure in a country. Concepts like GDP, GNP, NDP, NNP and PCI help understand how national wealth is created and distributed. Thus, national income plays a vital role in economic planning, development, and policy making. 4. Types of measurement of national income, 10 marks. National income can be measured in 3 main ways. These methods help to calculate the total income generated in an economy in a year. The 3 important approaches are: 1. Production or output method. This method measures national income by calculating the total value of final goods and services produced within a country during a year. Steps: estimate the output of all producing sectors like agriculture, industry and services. Exclude intermediate goods to avoid double counting. Calculate net value added, NBA, by deducting depreciation. Formula: this method is most suitable for goods producing sectors like agriculture, mining and manufacturing. 2. Income method. Under this method, national income is measured by summing up all factor incomes earned by the residents of a country. It includes wages, rent, interest and profits. Components: wages and salaries, rent from land, interest, on capital, profit of entrepreneurs, mixed income of self-employed. Formula: NI is equal to wages plus rent plus interest plus profit plus mixed income. This method is useful when income statistics are easily available, particularly in service sectors. 3. Expenditure method. This method measures national income by calculating total expenditure on final goods and services produced in the economy. Expenditure consists of: consumption expenditure by households, C. Investment expenditure by firms, I. Government expenditure on goods and services, G. Net exports, XM, I. Exports minus imports. Formula: GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X, M. This method is best for economies with good records of expenditure and national accounts. Conclusion: national income can be measured using 3 major methods: production method, income method and expenditure method. All 3 methods should theoretically give the same result if data is accurate. These methods help in understanding economic performance and planning policies for growth and development.